my brother them, my sisters them, this now na pikin, now na brother Lansana Sako. Today again I dey give una another talk from the edition The Hidden Truth. Today topic na about the letter wey dem lie say Kande Yumkela write to him brother Mohammed Fode Yumkela in reply to where he endorsed Mada Bio during Mada Bio in Badena, Kenema. First of all, before I go inside that letter in talk, I want to tell una say me Lansana Sako, I no get nothing for give una. I no get host for bill for una. I no get money for give una. I no go able feed una. I no go able give una what una no go able get for una self. We all na one people them. We all na the same. I no pass una self no pass me. We all equal. So therefore, another thing, most of una, I go assume, we love we country Sierra Leone. Just like I love me country Sierra Leone. Now because of the love for me country, now in make I dey make them video there. But some of we dey say we love we country, but really we don't know say we dey do bad to we country. Not the way you take gun no more, you dey go run, they shoot people in your country, or they hip fest na the only bad thing way they do to your country. So other thing and they where you dey look as not to nothing, a be saying or something. Like then kind liar way they come on. This letter where they say Kande Yumkela writes to him big brother Mohammed Fode Yumkela. Na lie. Kande Yumkela no write this letter at all to him brother. In fact, this letter na the supporters them of either Mada Bio, na then they circulate this kind of lie na the country for let them confuse people them, for make let them make una look at Kande Yumkela as bad person, for make una talk say, hey, this man in your family self don't go against them. Now because of this, Bio that fet the day between them, brother self me don't want them. Because the letter contain plenty thing there where accuse Kande Yumkela say he do. So now that make a go right to him brother. They try for say, me brother, if I be no la listen to you. If I be no la not cause people them. If I be no la not do this, able, how low you go now? This not shame. This not lie. But you know waiting, when somebody so good that you not get any bad thing for talk, but you find any kind thing for way bad, you not able to find at all, we go disqualify, where you not go able to challenge her on. Now lie you they go make up for lie pana. Now that you go do. We all know that. Now natural thing. So now this time they happen. Instead of them talk about the facts, then compare all the candidates them, all their strength and their weaknesses them, then they do that. Then they go find out something, when they can't write, then go lie saying that the man writer. Now we call desperation. But some of we dey again, we not care about we country. We feel say we care, we not care. Because not the way they go take gun no more, they go fet na your country, go eat fet, halala, na in no more, na in a civil disobedience, so not to that no more. That one day na physical thing where people let they see. The president where they carry if they thief in people them, na post we not love in country. Post where they lie by people them, and not love in country. Well, na in a de wire. The one that we write this letter here, where they circulate them for make una believe say na true, they're not like Sierra Leone. They're not like Sierra Leone, they're not like una. If they like una, they're not go feed una with lie. If they like una, then go left the citizens them, let them make their own judgment based on the truth. Let them make their own judgment. Let them look at Mada Bio, good. They look at Kande Yumkela, good. They look at Kamaremba, good. They look at Ali Kaba, good. Then look at Alpha Timbo, good. Then look at Andrew Kelly, good. Then look at Charles Magai, good. And any other presidential candidate, let give them all fair chance, let all man can level playing field, and make them put them case to the people them, let the people then listen. Now the people that now go able for listen to them why then judge who that really go able for run this country for pull Sierra Leone pan this poverty, for pull Sierra Leone pan hunger, for bring can job, bring can electricity, bring can water, bring can food, develop the agricultural system, and now that nine them for do. But they not get something for say bad about the man. They know say Kande Yumkela probably not the best among the field. They know that. Say the man is tough, is strong. So then they attack now, in character now, and they attack personally with lies. So my brother and sister, then Sierra Leoneans, then do ya. This letter, Awalo una know from me today saying a lie. Not to Kande Yumkela write this letter. In fact, the letter we Kande Yumkela write to the nation, because now to the whole Sierra Leone write that letter. He said, do ya, make we respect in brother in choice. Make we respect the decision when brother don't make. In brother in democratic rights. In fact, he talks, say, make we protect the man in privacy. You know, go begin to go na television, like how some ignorant person go do. Go begin to talk on television or radio. This one now we no more me not to one mama now one papa no more. From how they grow up, you know, like me. Oh, na jealous is jealous. You know, Allah be president. Oh, na because I don't do this, na that make you don't do this. And no, you not talk that. And will not encourage anybody for go inside that man in your business because of in your choice way, in your decision way you don't make. Now in your God-given right for make it choose anybody where you want choose for let be president of Sierra Leone. Now Mohamed Fode Yumkela na in your God-given right down there. Again right for do am. Let nobody no question am. Let nobody no question waiting they inside the family or waiting not inside the family. Because it be say nothing not inside the family something. Or if it's something they not to we own business, now then your family in business that one day. So therefore, me they tell me brother and sister they say, do ya this not to new thing. Nothing we don't happen before. The Prophet Muhammad Salatu Wasalam in Uncle Abu Lahab with in wealth. Now they hate and the most pass everybody. Imagine now in your Uncle Lawandi where he come out with a message for worship one God. When Jesus said Christ come, he condemn all them bad things when they do. The people that don't used to them way, play gamble and they make money all kind of illegal way, prostitution, all things. In condemn and say I've seen. What's happen? Then do all kind of things. Then kill him. In your one of his disciples, his best friend, confidant, betrayer. Even when Pontius Pilate, the governor way been there, the Roman governor way been there in charge of Israel at that time, himself not been convincing, not one killer. So it's for let the blood not in her hand, he left like Jesus and people that make the decision. Then make the decision say that for kill the man on the cross. Joseph, all in brother, then 10 or 11, then take her and go put her inside water. Obama 2008 where he run for election, in your brother, where people are not they expect. Nine kind begin for can talk them, we know they help Obama. So not to today it begin. Now everybody in your freedom, now in your choice down there for do that. So if Mr. Mohamed Fode Kande Yumkela don't do this, now in God-given right for Duam, the man get freedom to choose. Now in a democracy, just like we an honorable, democratic, patriotic Sierra Leonean, we then call Dr. Yumkela just the way he send message to the country for say the man get right to choose. Anybody want choose. Make we respect the man in choice, make we respect in privacy. Now so we for do. And then they go take a man we believe in democracy, he believe in for let you exercise your right. Because some government then they in this world, you're not able to talk safe. Then they kill you. So now we look who that they would put now position them. The people the way they circulate this letter. Do ya? Una know they do well for Sierra Leone. Because if una poison people with lies, dem make the wrong decision based on wetin una dey say, una deceive the people dem. Dat na the country una no like. Una feel say una like, una no like the country. The person una dey do am for let e win, na una like. And now in one Sierra Leone with 7 million. So if you pull 1 per 7 million people dem, hey boy, you want let 7 million people dem suffer just because of that one person the way you want life for, you want let be president, bro. Come on, bro. Let we think. So I call on my Sierra Leonean brothers and sisters dem. Any side wey una dey, una wey dey vote, do ya. Una not allow them fake news there for sway una make enough. Una not allow am. In fact, I want the citizens of Sierra Leone then demand say they want all the presidential candidate them for take part and debate. Let them sit down 3 different times. Let them tell the country people them wetin they want do for the country. Wetin na them plan, wetin na them 5 years projection, wetin na them 10 years projection. Where they can, wetin them go do. Like how they do in America, like how they do in England, like how they do all over the world. Let us sit down 3 debates. All the participants them. Make una know them position, wetin they want to do. Based on that, una choose them instead of